few gyms, go out a little bit, but not grind the same things for hours and hours like he can. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. It's just there's always too much to do with this game to where I'm like, I don't
So
want to
much to
get it.
do.
I don't want to get consumed with this game, and I'm like, I'm fine just relaxing, not doing nothing for a little bit of time. And plus, there's other, I mean, family things and this and that happens. That
I like doing it this way too, though, with the like straight zekrom sets.
what?
I just like doing it that way as opposed to doing the shadows.
Yeah, because then you have to change. Like, all right, how many like rectifiers do we have? How many of
Yeah.
this we have?
That's why I started trying with the Genesect to do that with just the rush run. It's like I know it can happen. I'm gonna do it. It's just happening. Okay, I've dodged considerably more than the first time. Two.
Got that off perfect.
Okay, health-wise, I'm exactly on pace.
Yeah.
Freaking charge beam takes so long.
What? Wall charge?
No, the charge beam.
Oh, charge beam.
Yeah. I think I should be fine. I'm just going. My fifth just died. What about you?
I'm halfway on my fifth. But I'm not gonna dodge from here on out. You probably need to dodge more.
I'm gonna dodge a few, yeah.
Perfect, you can go with there. Got the last small charge off. Alright. Yeah, I can definitely tank one more.
I died again. I'm back in already though.
I saw you missed that.
Dodge. Yeah.
Got it.
Good job.
Yeah, you were. Yeah.
I
missed. I saw because I
missed
saw
the
his health
dodge.
go back, and
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, you probably just missed
I
something
missed
there.
the dodge.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I died real quick and came back and Raikou like did like 2 moves and that was it.
Yeah.